Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this very short video, today I am going to talk about three very common adjectives about which the students are normally very much confused. How can we use these very common adjectives? These adjectives are much, many, a lot of, or lots of, the same things. Where to use much, where to use many, and where to use a lot of or lots of. Let's discuss. Much is used with uncountable nouns. Much is used with uncountable nouns. And many is used with countable nouns. And a lot of or lots of can be used both with countable noun and uncountable nouns. Now let's define what is countable noun and what is uncountable noun. Countable noun is anything that can be counted, that we can count. For example, boys, girls, chairs, apples, mangoes, anything that can be counted. That's a countable noun. An uncountable noun is anything that cannot be counted. We cannot count 1, 2, 3. For example, water, homework, sugar, oil, milk. These are the things that we cannot count. So, with uncountable nouns, we use much. For example, do you have much water? I don't have much homework today. Daily, drink much milk for your sound health. So with the words like water, homework, sugar, milk, petrol, oil, the things like that we cannot count, we use much. And with the thing that can be counted, for example, mangoes, goats, boys. There are many boys in this school. I have many apples. Many girls are absent today. And what's about a lot of? A lot of can be used both with the countable and uncountable nouns. And sometimes where much seems a bit awkward, we use a lot of. For example, when we say much water, it seems a bit awkward. We can use a lot of water. There is a lot of water in the tank. And a lot of and lots of, both are the same, we can use for uncountable nouns as well. There are a lot of boys present in the school. A lot of apples we can use. Lots of apple or a lot of apple we can use. So much is used with uncountable nouns, the thing that cannot be counted, and many is used with countable noun, the thing that can be counted, and a lot of or lots of, both are the same, can be used both with countable noun and uncountable nouns. This was a short video about the use of many, much, and a lot of. Keep on watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you may get the notification of my videos and keep on watching. Try to learn. That's all for today. Thank you very much.